Dumisani
Dumisani,
auditioned for the role of Mandla.
Oh yes, okay.
Now that I know now,
Uh-huh.
what do you think about the cast and their performances?
Oh. Oh yeah. So yeah, I mean, when we were watching it, remember we did say, if I remember swapping between
Mandla and
the two characters were swapper, the actors there, it would have made sense. And also, to me, in mannerism, the way actor corner, he could have been the CFO of the company.
the brother that's trying to take the company from Kanyisile.
No, the CFO. Oh, no. I'm not talking about
Oh, you're swapping.
Khuluma ngalungile. Yeah.
Okay.
Kuthi lungile, for me, he would have been better on that character. Le ya Dumisani.
Oh.
As the CFO.
Okay.
The way mannerism yakhe ingakhona, because he's calm, makakhuluma, yabona. He does have intimidating factor in his voice,
yes.
but it's calm. So it would be fine for him to be the CFO who gets the job done. He just says, "All right, don't worry, I'm gonna do it."
Okay.
In his voice, and then lo Dumisani abe ngala, because yena uyabona ukuthi I character yakhe ngathi une personality le active nyana, so he would have been fine for Mandla. Yes.
Okay.